Hey guys, I just want to give you a pro tip. If you're having trouble with your toilet clogging pretty often and you think that this plunger is the answer, no. Because what happens is you can blow out the seal underneath the toilet. Um, this is what the wax looks like brand new. See, it's yellow. See how that's dark? That probably the first time they used that plunger, they blew that seal out. So you might want to avoid that if you start having a toilet clog. Call a plumber and he'll come out and take care of that the right way. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate if you like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.